Welcome to the website management portion of the Online Learning Center. In this video, we'll be learning to add to page part 3. Let's get started. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add several different widgets to your web page. Adding the WordPress widget. There are 2 WordPress widgets you will need to add to use your WordPress blog on your site: the WordPress post area and the WordPress blog archive. Please note that you must add the post area before adding the archive. To add the WordPress post area, click on Add to Page, click New Widget, click on the WordPress folder, click on WordPress post area, name the widget. The WordPress info widget will open. Enter your WordPress.com URL, your WordPress username, and your WordPress password, and then click Apply. To add the WordPress blog archive, click on Add to Page, click New Widget, click on the WordPress folder, click on the WordPress blog archive, name the widget. The blog archive widget will open. Enter your archive heading, WordPress.com URL, your WordPress username, and your WordPress password, then click Apply. Adding the Blogger widget. There are 2 Blogger widgets you will need to add to use the Blogger on your site: the Blogger post area and the Blogger archive. Please note that you must add the post area before adding the archive. To add the Blogger post area, click on Add to Page, click New Widget, click on the Blogger folder, click on Blogger post area, name the widget. The Blogger info widget will open. Enter your blogger.com URL and then click Apply. To add the Blogger archive, click on Add to Page, click New Widget, click on the Blogger folder, click on Blogger archive, name the widget. The blog archive widget will open. Enter your archive heading and blogger.com URL and then hit Apply. Adding the media widget. Click Add to Page, click New Widget, click the media widget, name the widget. The embed media widget will open. Enter the website address where you found the video into the URL field, then click Apply. Adding the calendar widget. Click Add to Page, click New Widget, click the calendar folder, select the calendar types. The options are days, these show 1 day at a time; weeks, this shows 1 week at a time; mini month, this shows 1 month at a time; full weeks, this shows 1 week at a time broken down into time slots; full month, this shows 1 month at a time. Once you have selected the calendar type, name the widget and click OK. The calendar widget will open. Enter the calendar title, then click the box for each calendar you would like to show, then click Apply. Adding the form widget. There are 2 types of forms: forms found in the From Library folder and forms found in the Custom folder. The From Library forms are appointment and reservation forms that interact with the calendar manager and have several pre-built fields that are required for use. Because the appointment and reservation forms from the Form Library folder interact with the calendar manager, we strongly recommend that you check out our tutorial on the calendar manager linked below. The custom form allows you to build your own forms from scratch with any fields that you need. All forms have the ability to interact with the contact manager. To add a form, click on Add to Page, click New Widget, click the Form folder, select either the form from Library or the custom form, select the type of form you want to use, name the widget, then click OK. The Edit Form window will open. Choose the type of fields you would like to add. The options are Custom Fields. This gives you the choice of which field types to use. Following field types are available under Custom Fields: a text box, a box to enter 1 line of text; paragraph box, a box to enter multiple lines of text; number, a text box that only allows numbers; date, a mini calendar to select a date; date and time, a mini calendar to select a date and time. Radio button lets you create multiple options to select from. Checkboxes lets you create multiple checkboxes to select from. Drop down lets you create multiple options to select from a drop down menu. Countries creates an auto-generated drop down box that includes all countries. State province creates an auto-generated drop down box with states or provinces based on the country field you created. You can also enter a field label, field width, default value, and help text. Other types of fields are contact fields. This sends their information to the contact manager, creating a new contact based on the information entered. Upload file. This lets the visitor upload a file from their computer and lets you download it from the form response section. Text. This lets you add text to the form to convey information to your visitor. Divider. This lets you add a dividing line to the form. Section heading. This lets you add a heading to the form. Once you have chosen the types of fields you would like to use, click Add. Repeat until you have created all the fields you need, then click Save. Now let's cover the different tabs in the Edit Form settings. The Form Settings tab allows you to customize the following. Form name. This is the name of the form for the form response section. Send form response to. This is the email address or addresses that the form sends to when submitted. Send email template. This lets you choose an email template to send as an auto response to the person submitting the form. Confirmation. This controls what happens for visitors after the form is submitted. The Field Option tab lets you modify the appearance of the form field labels. You can set the font type, font color, and font sizes as well as several other options. The Form Display Option tab lets you control the appearance of the form fields and buttons. You can set which button to display, the font types, font colors, and font sizes of the buttons as well as several other options. Thank you for watching, and remember, our customer care agents are always here to help you 24/7. So if you get stuck, please do not hesitate to reach out to us anytime for assistance.